Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a recap of our trading room for Wednesday the 16th of March. Today was definitely a fun day. Right at the open we took a long around 71 quarter. Definitely worked out pretty well. It took both contracts off 1.5 points total. Definitely very nice trade, and then we watched it come down. We took a long right in here around at 69.5, which we could have actually held the entire time. Exited in this area here, at least me personally exited out in this area here. Definitely not a bad trade at all. Watched the market move up and then just watched it crash. The European Union energy chief came out saying that Japan's situation is very close to a major disaster, and he used within the next couple hours terminology, and he did use the term major disaster. Everyone just sold, and they sold crazy. Down here, a lot of people did buy. We decided to go long over here, which definitely worked out for a pretty nice trade, and then took a short right here at 68, which you could have actually held. You could actually still be holding it and still be looking okay. Definitely not a bad day at all. We had 4 trades for a maximum profit potential of 15 points or 60 ticks. I personally took 10.25 out of the market today. Yesterday it was around 8. So definitely not bad at all. If you can take consistent profits out of the market, you're a good trader. You're doing well. You take consistent profits every day. You take very minimal losses. And you'll definitely be good. You can have your own business as a trader, and it's wonderful at that point. You trade for a couple hours. Like, I have the room open from 9:30 to 12. You trade for 2.5 hours, and then you do whatever you want. Some days during the summer, I'll trade and go to the beach, or trade and go play some basketball, or whatever. Trade and go play some music. Whatever you want to do is what you're going to be able to do. Anyway, the website is www.businesswithtrading.com. You want to stop by, check it out. We talk market every day. In the morning I talk about my analysis. It sometimes changes during the day, sometimes it doesn't. Just depends on what happens that day. When we close the room at 12, or a little after 12, whenever it does close, I talk about my analysis for the rest of the day. And if something's dramatically different, I'll definitely put a member video out. And so that way you're definitely connected to the markets. And that's what you want to be. You want to be connected to the markets. You want to be able to see how the markets work out and pick your trades. I rarely do over 4 trades per day. Usually it's 1 to 3 trades. We've been fortunate these past few days. We've gotten some pretty good trades. And I get asked a lot, why don't you show your losing trades? Why don't, because we don't really have many. I have some videos I talk about losing trades. We might have had 1 loser and a couple winners. We end the day positive. Some days we have, more losers than others. But being able to pick your trades, you try to do, 2, 3, 4 trades a day. Most of them you're going to pick are going to be decent trades. If you try to take like 20 or 30 trades a day, you're going to have a lot more losers than if you try to do only 3 to 4 trades a day. But I do get that question a lot, and a lot of people think I'm lying about my trades. How can you make money every day? And do have people in the trading room every day, and you go to my testimonials page, those are people who traded with me in the trading room. So they wouldn't give me that if they didn't. But anyway, I just wanted to bring that up. Not everybody's going to be cut out for trading. A lot of your negativity is either people that don't know or people that can't do it. So you have your two different groups. Your people that can't do it are going to be negative anyway. Oh, this person's lying, blah blah blah. And the people that don't know just don't know. So they're kind of judging things before it happens. And as human beings, that's how we're equipped to make judgments. And people do this all the time. They make snap judgments. You meet somebody in a restaurant, in a bar, it doesn't really matter. You make a snap judgment right away. And then as you're talking to that person, your brain is, subconsciously, obviously, is putting together everything. Is that initial judgment correct, or could I be wrong? So that's what it's doing. But everybody does a snap judgment on everything, so it's common. But I just wanted to talk about that a little bit. Anyway, we did have an awesome day today. Thanks for everybody who joined us today. If you're watching this video, if you enjoy it, please click the Twitter, Facebook like buttons. Definitely would appreciate that. Of course, any questions, come to my website, businesswithtrading.com. On the upper right hand side, there's a contact form. You send me any questions, feedback, suggestions, anything you might have. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow morning in the markets. Thank you.